Tapos buksan mo. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Taas mo. A brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Grabe ka pa, Scarla. Galing ko ka. This is from Tita Nancy. Oh, grabe guys. Ayan. Basahin natin. Okay, ito. Dearest Carla Bells, hoping everybody's fine with you and your family. However, just keep being humble all the time kasi dyan ka namin minahal. Happy second year in Kalingap. Yan, and congratulations to you. Always be thankful to Kalingap Prab. Yan, na-scout ka niya. Yan, we are grateful to your parents as well na pinalaki kang magalang na bata at napakabait. For both of you, Jomcar, stay in love with each other, stay strong and hold on to each other. Don't mind lang talaga sa mga toxic. Yan, sa mga toxic na tao. Naiyak na si Carla, guys. We as Jomcar Solid Fanatic will be behind always. Support to both of you. Grabe, oh. Love you both, Jomcar. Study hard so you can reach your goals para pakasal, ano yun? Kasal na kayo ni Joms as soon as you finish your study. Hope, love you always, Tita Nancy. Yan, thank you po.